Hello, welcome to this channel. My name is WRAPROWS. Today I aim to get my system ready to test some Java programs. For this, we have to download and install Java Standard Development Kit. For this, just open your browser and search for downloading JDK. Now it shows different JDK installation files for different operating systems in the Oracle website. You can see some kind of locked sign with the download error. It's because you don't have logged into the Oracle website, and it will redirect you to the sign on page. Here you can create your account filling a simple form and activate account through email link. After getting logged in, you can see the lock sign is just disappear, and you can download the JDK installation file in a single click. I just clicked this twice. Now I love to keep this file on my favorite directory named software, and just double click to start the installation. There is nothing during installation to do, so just you have to wait and click next. It will take up to several minutes, and it depends on your system. You can listen music or enjoy during this. I am doing so. Installation is complete and just close the installation dialog box. After installation being complete, just I want to check whether installation is successful or not. For this, I want to open the command, and here is a command named javac to compile a Java source code. So I give command javac in my command prompt, and it says it does not recognize this command. So we have to add the path of this command to the environment path variable in our system. Error this says javac is not recognized as an internal or external command. For this, we have to go to the JDK installation folder in C drive and copy the path of bin folder, which contains the necessary code to compile and convert the source code into object code. It contains the javac command also. Here you can see javac.exe here. Now copy the path. Go to now we have to go to the system path variable list by clicking this PC in File Explorer, by right clicking this PC, then clicking on Properties menu. It will pop up a system window in a control panel. Here in the left hand side there is an advanced system setting menu item. Just by clicking advanced system setting, you will get system properties dialog box. Then click environment variable. Then you will get environment variable box with various user and system variables. Here in this window we have to add the path of the bin folder as the system variable. Simply select path variable in the lower system variable box, then click on edit button. Here you can paste URL and go through series of OK buttons to return back. Now let's restart the command prompt and check whether the Java command is working or not. Here it recognized the Java command, but it gave us no such fruitful result because we don't have any Java source code ready. Now I like to demonstrate a very fast and small hello world program. Now I'm opening notepad and I just copied the piece of Java code, small hello world program from random website, and I pasted it over it. Now I like to save it in somewhere in my PC. Now while saving, you just have to take care about the extension. Uh, for this, put .java extension of a file and select all file as save as drive. Here I give a random name to the file, and for this I give first here and save route. Now in command prompt I will go to my Java file containing directory using simplest dash command. Just like to change the working directory, we can use cd command, and you can learn this basic dash command anywhere on the web. Now I compile the file using Java command. The syntax of command is like javac, then after file name dot java. It is compiled since it does not show any notification or error. This command convert the source Java program into object code. After this, we can run the code using Java command. Now we are getting the error saying could not find or load main class. This is because the object class converted after compiling with javac command doesn't match with mm, this our first the argument that we pass with Java command. So I am gonna go to source code again, and I am gonna change the name of main class to the same as my argument. Means I want to change this to first. Now after compilation, the class file generated will have the same name. Now we can execute the first that bytecode using Java command, and we got the output here. Hooray! It's over for today. Thank you very much for watching this. Please do suggest and comment, guys. If you have any query. Happy learning and have a good time. Thank you.